Pray mama, pray papa, that the snow will stop and that we can get to eat our lunch on the road. Amen. Sid, the life of a trucker, heading out in the dead storm to go look at bigger food. Cross farm, where we are going at this? I'm not gonna look for food. Yo, outside bitter. Outside bitter. Here. Raga, just come from the road, guys. We couldn't manage it. We have to look food. So we buy a box food. I could have, listen, storm could have blow. We are going to road go look food. Alright. You can't see the truck? Except for the sea truck. My God. We have follow back way. With truck mark. I said for go treacherous away. Hear me a blow hard. Oh my God. Guys, what I just experienced a while ago. And I'm not the normal. 4. A plate of food. But you know what? Food I have to eat. Turn it around and show. Windy. It's windy. Oh man. It is super cold. My God. The finger them gone. Ah! My truck is in sight. Clean it up. Ah! We can walk back way. Oh my. Let's take a time, my boy. You can hear the wind, guys. So you can hear the wind gusting. 4. Just see a box food. Them not call it box food. Oh God, I'm gonna turn the camera. Food smell nice to see too. See? Up on the road tonight I look food. Can't go to bed without. We look a pam. Huh? Enough road we have to travel tonight, guys. I'm never gonna make a start now. Stop it. Aye! Tire cross farm. My wife make me dinner. But what? All of that done. But I can't run. You know what's a little fun of the night, right? You can't just work and have a little fun. But Sean, it's not funny I walk in them type of weather, yeah? But you go for food and your finger blaze off. And have fun this shot. Guys, you should reach this for another video, guys. More to the like up the video, guys. Please, like up the video. The voice. Whoa. Alright. We can relax in our truck, but we are going to walk further down in the place. Yo, outside bitter, you know? Outside bitter. Smell it. Oh, food nice. I've actually used this. Oh my God. But I want to go to the road. Yo, my finger. No, sir. A finger. No, sir. Finger. Mm-mm. No. Your finger cool. Boy. I beg you not do that. Like that video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Oh, and this a choke me. Aye. This better, man. We're gonna see the highway from here, so I'm gonna flip the camera. A Canadian trucker that went through the storm to go fetch is, I never launched this, a Bombay this, a Bombay, or supper, but you know we have to throw in some content tonight. Ah! My finger, guys, I want you to do off on the gloves. And it's cold. Ah! Oh my God. Let me show you down. Hold on. Let me turn on it. The finger here, come like it was. It's cold. Hold on. Let me turn the camera. Turn on. Jesus. Okay, so it finally turned around. So, we can show you a piece of the highway. Man, it is cool. How much inches is that? A lot of inches of snow. Here is not too busy. So the road look nice. So we gone out of the road. So eat a lunch first. And then we touch the road. They will call it in Jamaica low load. You know what? I wash it all in my food get cool, you know. Oi! Big up yourself.